Okay, so we got all the wall tile removed, we cleaned up the floor, and now we're going to apply the Levelquik primer to the tile. So we have the Levelquik Advanced Acrylic Primer. We're going to apply it to the existing ceramic and grout so that then the new mortar will stick to it. We're also going to level this floor out and fill in the grout cracks. So over smooth concrete, exterior grade plywood, glazed tile, terrazzo, marble, polished stone, sheet vinyl flooring, or old cutback adhesive, use undiluted. Over porous concrete, dilute 1 part primer with 3 parts water. Sorry, I didn't have that lined up there. So, see the directions? So we will not dilute this. So this is blue in color. I'm not going to shake it up a lot, but I am going to like twist it like this upside down. We'll get everything, you know, where it needs to be. So you see how that's blue? So you can easily tell what you've done or what you haven't done. So I'm painting this on nice and, I don't want to say thick, but I'm not going to short anything here. I love blue. I just love it so much. You don't want to have any pooling areas because it won't dry. I'm getting it in the grouts, nice, a reasonable amount. So there's a little bit here, there's a low spot here, so it's pooling a little bit here. So I'm going to work it over to this side of the floor. Alright, so you get the idea. So I will continue this process. There you go.